Hey, so here is another dating app which is called Zoe. It's like lesbian dating and chat app. It's in the top charts in social networking in US App Store. So let's try to install it and just take a look why it's like becoming so popular. And here you can just see the screenshots, um, some video overview. They're like verified profiles. And all of that. So you can quickly create a profile. You need to verify your via the photo. Um, and there is also a private membership here. So yeah, and then you can just log in or sign up, use email, and yeah, so there you have it. If you have experience with this app, if you think it's a good one, just leave your comments below. Just interesting to know why this app, why should you use it compared to other apps in your community. So there you have it.